It is okay to lose a game of cricket. It is okay to have an off day. But it is clearly not okay to play the way Indian cricket team did at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad versus South Africa. First Super 8 clash, first pressure game of the tournament, and India surrendered. It was an out and out pathetic performance with the bat, majority with the ball also, but Jasprit Bumrah and Arshdeep Singh ensured that there wasn't severe damage, but it was a very, very bad day on the field for the Indian cricket team. We all knew that it was coming. No side can continue with that good a run for that long. India did 12 games in the World Cup without losing a fixture. ICC tournaments just losing that one game. 2023 ODI World Cup final versus Australia at the same ground. But इतने लंबे गैप के बाद ऐसी करारी हार मिली है जो शायद इंडिया के वर्ल्ड कप कैंपेन को अब डेंजर में डाल देगी. नेट रन रेट हैज ड्रॉप्ड कंसिडरेबली, सिग्निफिकेंटली एंड अलार्मिंगली. -3.8 इस नेट रन रेट से रिकवर होने के लिए बहुत बेहतरीन क्रिकेट खेलनी होगी. कैन यू प्ले दैट? बट फॉर दैट, कैन यू एक्सेप्ट योर मिस्टेक्स? Can you accept that you have messed the team selections with so many left-handers? Can you accept that not having a right-hander in the top 3 is hurting? Can you accept that the template of going slam bang and not reading the conditions isn't working? Can you accept that the pressure is getting the better of this bunch? कोच सुधांशु कोटक आए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, उन्होंने बोला कि इनएक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, प्रेशर नहीं है. अगर ऐसे खेलना प्रेशर नहीं है तो मुझे नहीं पता क्या प्रेशर होता है. अगर ऐसे खेलना इनएक्सपीरियंस नहीं है तो मुझे नहीं पता इनएक्सपीरियंस क्या होता है. शिवम दुबे ने बहुत हल्के से कहा था, पर कह दिया था that World Cups are not easy, and this team is finding it out the hard way that World Cups are not easy. We kept asking those questions, that your partnership from number 3 and number 4 literally at run a ball was showing that you are getting overwhelmed by the occasion, that you are getting overwhelmed by losing wickets in the power play. If you have to bat freely, you need to continue batting freely. This is what David Miller and Dewald Brevis showed there. That partnership of 97 or 50 balls was the ideal template to play this format, even when under pressure. 3 wickets South Africa के भी गिरे power play के अंदर, but एक calculated intent था. They did not retreat. They did not go into a shell. जैसे हमारे सूर्य कुमार यादव साहब करते हैं, जैसे तिलक वर्मा साहब करते हैं. बट वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आएंगे, he'll laugh, he'll say तिलक को ड्रॉप कर दूं, अभिषेक को ड्रॉप कर दूं. एक्सेप्ट तो कर लीजिए कि कुछ चीजें गलत हो रही हैं. एक्सेप्ट तो कर लीजिए कि कुछ चीजों को ठीक होने करने का स्कोप है. Ranton Descartes did say that Sanju Samson will be a discussion in the coming few days, and I will not be surprised that Sanju Samson walks into this playing 11 at the Chepauk when India get ready to face Zimbabwe. But it is just not about Sanju Samson. It is also about Akshar Patel, India's vice captain. It was baffling to see Akshar Patel on the bench today. It was ridiculous that you benched a player of Akshar Patel's caliber, Akshar Patel's experience, his ability to deliver under pressure, his ability to replicate what he had done in that 2024 T20 World Cup final against South Africa, scoring those crucial runs with the bat. Today they needed a performance like that. Instead, you had a Washington Sundar walking out because someone sitting in that change room, numbers देखे, complicate किया matter और बोला वॉशी शायद जाके 5 पे काम कर देगा और 3 ऑफ स्पिनर तो है ही. Oh, our plan backfired because our seamers got their left-handers. This is not how you plan a game of cricket. I'm sorry that you are more experienced than me. You have played the game at the highest level, but you clearly are missing the basics. You're not keeping it simple, and it will backfire. 2 मैचेस बचे हैं वेस्ट इंडीज और जिम्बाब्वे के खिलाफ. ऐसी क्रिकेट खेलते रहे तो लोग सोच रहे थे कोलंबो में फाइनल तो नहीं हो जाएगा पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ, कोलंबो तो नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. फिलहाल अपना सेमीफाइनल बुक करने के लिए बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलनी पड़ेगी. रियलिटी चेक है, हार्श रियलिटी चेक है, और जो क्रैक्स की हम बात कर रहे थे रिपीटेडली, आज वो कंप्लीटली एक्सपोज हो गए हैं. So you keep watching TOS Sports because this was one heck of a hammering by South Africa. They showed that why they are the most improved side in the international circuit across formats in the last couple of years, and they continue to replicate what they have been doing in other formats. Wherever they go out, that jersey, when they put it on, it gives them a different fire in the belly. They are delivering. Onus is now on India. Surya Kumar Yadav, Gautam Gambhir, time to pull up the socks again because this defeat will hurt you and the remainder of the campaign.